Hey there. All right, so I'm going to show you how I prepare my Shakeology. Just give you some quick ideas and some tips on how you can make it super simple for yourself in the morning or whenever you choose to have it during the day. So I use almond milk unsweetened original, 8 ounces. You can use a measuring cup until you get the hang of it, but I just eyeball it because I know on inside this cup about how high it comes, so it's just easy to eyeball it. Then I get a scoop of Shakeology. I'm doing chocolate today. Okay, you get a scoop, and it's important that you use the scoop that came with that flavor because every scoop, believe it or not, has a different measurement. So here I have my vegan vanilla, which is also amazing, and it has a different size scoop. Okay, so just a little tip there just in case. Then I'm going to add, you don't have to, you can just do it like this with some ice and you're good to go. I'm going to add some spinach to it. So you could take out your green veggie container and you can fill it up with spinach just so you know. But honestly, once you've done this a while, you know that it's a handful. All right, so I just toss that in there, making a mess, no big deal. And then you could add fruit. So this is a banana, half of a banana frozen. So you can get a bunch of bananas, cut them up, freeze them, and have them in your freezer, and you can just pop it in there. So you can do that. I'm not going to. And then last but not least, you add some ice, and this is to your liking. I generally recommend 5 to 6 or so ice cubes when you're starting until you get the hang of it. And that's it. You put the lid on. You can use whatever blender you want. I have a Ninja, the one that says Auto IQ, 1000 watts on it. This is amazing, and I just hit the auto blend button and let it do this. So how long did this take? Like less than a minute for me to make this section. Put this to blend, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, so now it's done, and then you can put the lid right on this, or put it in your Shakeology cup, or in a pretty mug, whatever you want, and you are done. You can add all kinds of things to this, guys. You can do peanut butter, almond butter, all kinds of fruits, all kinds of vegetables, fresh, frozen. You can do oatmeal. You can add oats to it. You can add black coffee. There's just so many options, things that you can add to your shake. So just play around with it, make it, simple at first, and then start tweaking it and see, find your thing, find what it is you like. All right. So if you have any questions or if it's not coming out right for you, let us know because it's supposed to taste amazing. So that's it. Thank you so much.